Hi everyone, welcome to Kairos Moments. My name is Belle, and for this episode, let's talk about life is a choice. And yes, life is a series of choices, not chances. And yes, God is the God of first chance, second chance, third chance, fourth chance. But God has given us a lot of choices. Dahil hindi naman diktador ang Panginoon, bibigyan niya tayo lagi ng, anak, pili ka. Anong gusto mo? Mag-enjoy ka o malungkot ka? Enjoy mo ang kabutihan ng Panginoon or magmukmok ka. Bumangon ka or manatili ka sa pagkakadapa mo. Dahil nag-failed ka, it doesn't mean na hindi ka na makaka-recover. So, binigyan tayo ng Panginoon ng choice to trust Him or not to trust Him. Piliin ang liwanag or piliin ang dilim. Piliin lagi siya or piliin ang mundo. So talagang napakaraming choices na binigay sa atin ng Panginoon. Now in connection to this message, okay, can I share this verse in Isaiah chapter 43? Forget the former things, do not dwell on the past. See, I am doing a new thing. Now it is spring up, do you not perceive it? Now nakakalungkot man, but some of us ay marami ang nangyari sa nakaraan, yes. And you were hurt, siguro. And until now, you are still suffering from pain, emotional pain. And even mentally, nagsasuffer ka dahil sa mga masasakit na narinig mo, dahil sa mga mapapait na nangyari sa nakaraan. But hey, can't you see? May Diyos na tapat na inaantay na lang tayo na magdesisyon sa ating buhay because He has a greater plans for us. Dahil hindi naman habang buhay ay mananatili ka sa season na yan. So we really have to make a decision. Now in connection to this, I just remember na whenever I and my sister are having a conversation and whenever we look back, naalala din namin that life was really hard but God is really good. So, hindi madali yung buhay. May mga struggle kami noon. But whenever we look back, ang lagi namin, even sa aming conversation, sinasabi namin, buti na lang ate, no? Nung time na talagang sobrang hirap ng buhay na siya nagsa-sideline, even ako may mga racket din para may pambayad ng tuition fee and also may pambayad ng kuryente, pambili ng pagkain, just to survive every day. Pero sabi namin, we made a decision and even nakarinig din kami ng mga masasakit na salita, discouragement. So, but we made a decision that yes, life was hard, pero makakaraos din tayo. And life was not easy. Pero alam namin, pinaniwalaan namin, nagdesisyon kami sa puso namin na but we have a good God. We have a faithful God. Patuloy lang tayo. We have to survive every day. Sa ngayon, sobrang hirap ng buhay. Pero time will come, makakapagtapos din tayo ng pag-aaral. Una, may decision namin or choices namin. We have a lot of choices na pwede kami manatili. Okay na to. Huwag na lang tayo magtapos ng pag-aaral. Tama na to kung anong meron tayo. Tanggapin na natin. And we don't have the capacity na magbayad ng ating tuition and also i-sustain ang ating mga sarili. Pero nagdesisyon kami na magtiwala sa Panginoon. And pwede naman namin i-embrace na kung ano yung meron sa moment na yon, sa season na yon. But we just keep on believing. And we made a decision that the Lord is true, the Lord is faithful, the Lord will provide, and the Lord will sustain us. And true enough, the Lord has been so faithful. Whenever we look back and we're having a conversation, sabi namin, buti na lang una ate, nagdesisyon tayo na magpursige, na tumuloy-tuloy lang, at magtiwala sa Panginoon that He will provide, that He will help us. Kasi sabi namin, kasi ate kung hindi pala tayo nagtuloy-tuloy, kung hindi pala kami nagdesisyon, hindi pala namin nakita that at the end of the tunnel, there is a light waiting for us. Na makikita pala namin ang liwanag. So you see, wherever we are right now, pwedeng hindi maganda ang season, but we have to make a decision. Even if nasaktan tayo, choose forgiveness over resentment. Choose love over hatred. Make a decision today. We cannot change what happened in the past. We cannot bring it back. But we can do greater things with our present that will shape our future. Who we are right now and our decision that we'll make right now will affect our future. Choose forgiveness over resentment and begin to heal and move forward. Dahil may mas magandang plano ang Panginoon kesa sa mga hurts, sa mga pain sa ating nakaraan. So you see, and stop blaming people. And sometimes we blame the situation, we blame people, even the season we blame. Even ang mga kung ano-ano pa man na nangyari sa ating buhay, we blame everyone, we blame everything. Stop blaming. Instead, move forward and make a decision today. You see, may gustong-gusto na gawin ang Panginoon sa ating buhay that the Lord is telling us, get up. I will be with you. I will guide you. I will not leave you. We have to make a decision. Choose light over darkness. Even if we have that dream in our lives, iniisip natin, baka hindi matupad, baka hindi ko kaya, pwedeng hindi mo kaya pero kayang-kaya ng Panginoon. Itutuloy ko ba o hindi? Kaso hindi ko kaya. Hey, we have a living God. Make a decision. And if you're right now, you are in a situation na parang nakakulong sa isang sitwasyon na alam mo na mali, na alam mo may mga nasasagasaan, alam mo na may mga natatapakan, make a decision today to choose what is right, to choose what is godly, to choose what is honorable in the sight of all. And palayain natin ang ating mga sarili. So my brothers and sisters, I encourage each and everyone, make a decision today. Life is a series of choices. So thank you and God bless.